Okay, everyone, my voice is back in this video today. Well, it's actually a clip because I already did the private jet, but I was with my voice off. Oh, actually, there is a code. I'm gonna write in the chat so I don't. You know what? It's a code that's called private jet. There's no space in it because there can't be space in any ATM code. I'm gonna just go find the code. So basically, right now, oh, come on. Oh, come on, dude. Okay, I'm gonna try this again because my friend do 14.4 million. So basically, I'm gonna go to the vault and let's hope that these vaults are like what? Holy cow! Like 10K? Weird. 10K. Okay, let's okay. Let's go to the ATM. I'm just gonna skip guns. Let's go to the ATM and redeem our code. Okay, I'm gonna go to the train. Alright, I'm gonna just go to the train code. Because that's where the train code, that's where the code, one of the codes are at. Not pretty sure if they removed it because I don't be chilling at the train station that much as I chill. Okay, just right, hey, come on. Private jet. So I don't really have to look back. So it doesn't give me Grammarly part. Okay, give me a minute. Private. Wait, what? No Grammarly. Come on. Private jet. Okay. I'm sorry, the 9th ATM? Oh, I think they were talking about the ATM. Private jet is cold. Alright, finally. Now go bank. And basically, come on, why do I keep jumping off? Let me just spawn the Forgotti Benide. What is this called? Because that vehicle is actually a name of a food. I don't know why they called it that in the first place. Because here's the new bank. I just actually want to feel the inside of it. Holy cow, it's just like the casino. I can't understand. Just to be honest, but I can't really see that much. Okay, I could see, but basically there's the clothes. Man, this bank got rebuilt because of that live event that literally happened. There's the bank truck. Let me see if the ladder's still there. Oh my gosh. This bank is pretty big. What? Okay, whatever. Anyways, let's I actually I was just gonna wait until the thing open. I'm a cut. It will equal a lot to 400k. I mean 4k. Okay, I am not pretty sure if this is the only vault, because if this is not, then I'm gonna have to upload more videos of a lot of vaults. Anyways, I'll get out now. Wait, I want to see no way out actually. I'm trying to no way. I want to see this one first. We're on the ground. Wait, we're up ground? We're up here? Wow. I did not know we were up here. There's going to be a video break the glass? Hold on, I'm confused. Whoa, definitely. I am confused with this incident. I'm 2 seconds concerned. I need to tell. I'm not going to tell anyone about this, but this is actually real crazy. Do you think? Real crazy. I'm not pretty sure. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you guys next time. I actually forgot to show you something since the beginning of the video. So I forgot to show you that there was a new 1 million store that was replaced. There was a 1 million store. The 1 million store was replaced and moved to Crater City. And Crater City now has a new gun store. And I forgot to show you that basically. Also, my mic is off. I'm talking from the video edit. But as you can see, I'm literally using the chat right now. So do not click off. And then I'll tell you when to click off. You can click off after the end of the video.